Good morning, beautiful, amazing unicorns. As you can see, I am up in the morning. It is 9:30. My person had to take the Jeep back to the dealership because the chicken engine light came on again. So I'm in my car. I'm gonna go pick them up and run a few errands. So I just have to say, I hate this freaking air conditioner in this car. I'm not a fan of this car. I just have to say not. I have a TikTok made me buy it. And I really, for as insanely, how I love to shop, my insane shopping issue. I haven't had a lot of TikTok made me buy it things. I bought the Chomp Chomp. If you own a dog, you need the Chomp Chomp, period. And I have a dog I have a German Shepherd. So, her coat is like double coat. So there's fur everywhere all the time. I sweep my house twice a day. Just to, if I didn't sweep in one day if I wasn't feeling well, OMG, you can make a chihuahua. So, anywho, back to the point, Misty. I bought the cloud shoes. I bought them in pink and I bought them in black because they were buy one, get one, or buy one, get one half off. Well, I bought them. The pink ones came with black stuff, like they've been scuffed up. They had not been worn, but certainly look, dirty. So that didn't make me happy. And then I tried them on. I didn't even walk anywhere in them, and I'm like, these suck. But I have on the black ones, right? I have on the black ones. So I don't know if they're scuffed up or not. And I'm going to give them a day out of the house to see if I like them to wear them like in public, or if I actually think they're shit and just going to be house shoes and dog walking shoes. Yeah. So anywho, some errands to run, going to the Jeep dealership now. Yeah. And that's that. That's it. Can't say anything else at the moment. So we'll check back in just a little bit. Do those few little things that I asked. Thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in just a little bit. Bye. Hello, beautiful, amazing unicorns. I went for brunch. Had 2 eggs over hard yolk broke, crunchy french fries, and toast no butter bacon. And then a diner that we like to go to closed. So we always went to this one and that one. And we saw an old waiter that we always went to over at the other place. And he asked me about my mom. And, when things like that happen and you're not prepared, like if I'm, going around people that I know are going to ask my mom, I'm like mentally, physically prepared for that little gut punch. But that just now, like, everything in me not to cry. I don't like being gut punched. And he asked how my mom was, and I told him that she had passed away, and he was so sorry. She was a nice lady, just difficult. Like I said, it's not something that I have handled out loud. I handle it very quiet into myself and all of that. So just gut punched me. But I am happy to see that my favorite waiter is at a diner that I go to because I love him. So we'll definitely be going back to see Manny. Hope everybody has a great day. Check in later. Beautiful, amazing unicorns. Welcome back to my channel, Majestic Misty. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be a majestic unicorn with me. Today has been a day. Started out with having to get up, get dressed, go to the Jeep dealership, went for brunch, went to the cemetery, and went to the vet who didn't speak to me, didn't call me back until 6:30, was not happy. But I'm wrestling mentally with some events that have happened recently. I'm wrestling with events that are going to happen I'm wrestling with emotions, and when I become emotionless, I really worry about myself, because I'm a Libra, so I like things nice and balanced. I don't like confrontation, but Lord knows my rising sun is a Scorpio, so I want things nice and balanced. I don't want to argue with you, but if you bring an argument to my door, you had best have your facts. You had best have your whatever in order, because I do not fight nice. And I have been told many a times that it is really confusing fighting with me, because I fight with a smile on my face. And then there's just things that I'm just outright avoiding, because if I delve into it, it means I actually have to deal with the emotions that are behind that door. And I'm good. I have enough shit in my life. I'm good. Like I said on one of my Snapchats, is, you might want to check on your friends every now and then, especially the ones that say, I'm good, I'm fine, no worries. Keep it moving, let's go. Because we're not always good, we're not always fine. And the day that we admit it is the next day to never. So, in general, if you care about somebody, let them know. Because it does matter. It really does matter. Anywho, I won't have a car tomorrow because my car is in the dealership getting fixed again because the check engine light came on. So my person has to use my car to go to work, and it's summer vacation, so I don't have to go to work. But I get to clean all day. Yay! I looked up a women's shelter here, so I'm going to go and deliver. I literally have 4 bags of clothes, I have shoes, I have purses, I have so much stuff. And obviously it's all my stuff, so it's women's stuff. And yeah, I'm going to donate it to a women's shelter not too far from me. Hopefully middle of the weekish, because this week I should find out more about my surgery, when, where, how long, that kind of thing. So when I know, you'll know. And that's it. So yeah, thumbs up, comment, and smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you tomorrow.